Nvidia has been sitting sideways for the past couple of days, and if you've been watching our coverage of this, we are no longer bullish, and we've actually removed our buy rating on Nvidia, just short term, basically once the BX trender flipped from green to red. You're going to see that this would have closed out a 7% profit. Now, the BX trender is this indicator at the bottom of your screen. This indicator is free on TradingView. We have free courses teaching you guys the exact settings, the proprietary settings that I use, and I have a standard operating procedure. The link to all of that and the courses will be in the description completely for free. What this indicator is showing is buying versus selling pressure. When we get an increase in buying pressure, as you can see down here, when the line switches from red to green, this is a buy signal. Price will usually continue to run until it flips from green to red. This is a sign that we're nearing a top and that money is getting pulled out. Think of it like hitting the top of a roller coaster right before the bottom falls out. If we go back and we look at what normally happens after this occurs, you can see that in this case, we had a significant price sell-off of about 18%. The next time, price consolidated sideways. The time after that, price sold off for a couple of days. Best case scenario though, price sits sideways for a couple of sessions. And so you can see that this doesn't necessarily mean that the stock has to come cratering back down. That's not what I'm expecting. What I am expecting is that buying pressure, and basically the whole reason you would own the stock is for it to go up in value, is most likely going to be let off until earnings. I think that there is a very high chance that we just see this thing continue to consolidate between 150 and maybe even lows of $140 until earnings next week. Earnings from there will be the driving factor that moves us up to that 160, 170 target by the end of the year, or pulls us back down to 135 and 140. And so if you're somebody who wants to focus on only buying when institutional investors are there, then download the BX Trender, set it up with the free course that we have in the description, and simply watch for buying and selling patterns within a given trend. The link to that course and all of the course material that we have, basically my 9 years of trading, is just free in the description. Now, if you do want to get access to all of these alerts in our Discord community, as well as all of my real-time alerts that we're up nearly $3.8 million this year, a lot of it has to do with Tesla, then you can go and join our private academy. The link to that will be in the description. You can use the code MARKET10 to start for only $10 your first month. That's a pre-Black Friday sale, and I will be using limited codes for that so that we don't get thousands of people, because I really just don't want that. Thank you guys for all of the support. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.